So what is up guys? This is my day 99 ng pagpapasarap. Let's go! So guys, ito na, kakagising ko pa lang. So it's another day. So it's another pagpapasarap day. So ngayon guys, magtitimpla na ako ng aking kape. At my first habits or usual na ginagawa ko tuwing umaga. So magkakape na ako. Let's go. Napakasarap guys ng kape guys, kahit mapait. Medyo nanakit yung mga katawan natin guys kagabi kasi naglaro tayo. Putok na putok yung bicep natin guys. Let's go. So guys, ito na guys, kakain na tayo ng ating pang-lunch. Let's go. Meron tayong sinugbat, tapos meron tayong parok at saka 200 grams of white rice. So let's go na. Kasi magwo-workout na tayo. Let's go. Ito naman kain nito guys. Yung ano tawag dito sa Tagalog? Basta parok dito guys tawag namin. Let's go. Let's go guys. Magti-treadmill muna tayo ngayon guys kasi katapos ng treadmill natin guys is kakain na naman tayo kasi birthday ngayon ni Kuya guys. Ni Kuya Lance. So pupunta tayo doon kasi birthday niya. So let's go, kainan na! Pamay ka. Kup-kup ni guys, kup-kup ni Ron guys. Here comes the birthday boy. Makabalak ako na lawat. Maglaro na tayo guys mamaya. Bye-bye. Focus the camera on the birthday boy. Saling ko. Sa State University of Prince? Prince? Aside sa Prince, mga commercial store ba? Pure gold. Anong nagabuyo ka? Inganit may dakuan.
Ato mga ganda, tinagana. Hindi na, duta.
Staring at myself in the mirror, and I thought,
Drinking? What type of drinking do you have?
Brother,
Don't laugh, don't laugh, because I'm serious. I'm very serious. I don't understand you. What? You should talk English.
I don't think in
You should talk English. You should talk English. You don't use your language. Talk some national language. Don't hear English. You can create an English like forward English. Guess what? Where I'm from? I am Christian from Jordan.
Me, my name is Sami.
Your name is Sami, brother.
Yeah, Sami.
Brother. Do you drink alcohol, brother? Do you drink alcohol?
Ah, very good, very good.
Why your mother create your name? Why Sami? You look like an angel.
You look like Angelo.
You know Chris Angel that can walk in the sea? What? Don't
chat.
just talk.
Just talk, brother.
No, what I mean, you look like Chris Angel, like just like can walk in dagat.
Ano, walk.
I don't understand much. You don't understand me. I don't understand either. We're both.
Very good, very good, very good.
We're trying.
Very good, brother. Very good. High five, brother. High five.
We were trying to talk some English because we are Indian.
Tama, ginix.
Tara na.
Mga gago.
So hanggang dito lang muna sa video na to guys. Make it follow na lang ako guys at pa-like na rin at share. So nasa day 99 na tayo ng ating pagpapasarap. So see you sa day 100 ng pagpapasarap. Let's go. Bye-bye. Mwah.